And we pick up the pace. I'm starting to get the worst crick in my neck ever.
In here, quick! Ramasura, wake up!
I just had the weirdest dream. There was music and this really ugly woman.
As fascinating as that is, could you please just unfreeze me now?
Who are you? Am I still dreaming?
No, you're awake. We're elements on a quest to raise the golden dragon, but our friend Jinho was frozen by Mekla's lightning.
Ah, yes. Mekla. Quite a temper.
Can you unfreeze him?
I'm afraid nothing can unfreeze him but the sun. And that won't come out until I make up with Mekla.
Well, you want to make up with her, don't you?
Yes, I do. Okay, enough of this foolishness. Let's go. I'll just get my ball and axe.
Watch out!
It's freezing time!
I can't feel my toes!
I can.
Let's go! Yeah! He's going to zap us!
What are you doing?
Sorry, Jinho.
Hey, you've done worse.
Missed!
Is everyone okay?
Fine, thanks, Mr. Hippopotamus.
This'll shift it!
How do I stop this thing?
Mekla?
Ramasura?
I am so sorry for everything. I love you.
And I love you.